Saturday. Nagmamadali kami ni Harold kasi ngayon nga yung 12:30 naming viewing dun sa building sa tapat. So, lakad lang kami. Mabilisan lang pagbibihis. So, ayun si Harold sa unahan. Walkathon kami. Saan tayo dadaan? Ay, ginagawa pala yung ano nila, oh. Nagla-landscaping. Let's go, dito tayo dumaan. Thank you. Daan na kami dito sa loob ng kabilang building. Wala yung concert siya. Ano na kami, sweater. Medyo malamig-lamig. Bawal naman si Hailey doon, kaya kailangan takasan. Ayan, hindi tayo daan. Walkathon. Saan ang daan, Han? Diretso? Dito? Ay, okay, alam mo naman pala. So, tatawid tayo. Yan. Na-cancel pala guys yung aking driving lessons. Sa Monday na daw kami mag-resume ni Kuya Chris. Ang bilis naman ng walk.
Bakit daw na-cancel?
Hindi, sabi niya Monday na daw eh. Sabi ko, okay, dapat meron kaming 2:30. Siguro baka wala siyang estudyante this Saturday. So, parang iisa lang ako or maulan. Sabi ko, okay, Monday na lang. Kasi kinancel ko ngayon kahapon dahil galing kami sa dinner. Kaya, ayan. Ito guys, na nilalakaran namin, busy housing to eh. Yan, luma na yan. Tagal na yan. Nag-notice na nga daw sila dyan ng 1 year para sa mga nag-rent na lumipat. Kasi i-demolish at gagawin ng bago. Pero until na wala pa eh. Ayan o, Ashdown Gardens. Nag-check kasi tayo dyan no, last year. Nagtanong kami sa napagtanungan namin yung isang renter dyan. So, sinabi sa amin na 1 year notice na lang daw sila dyan sa building na yan. Hindi pa naman ginigiba. Yeah. Baka na-delay. Kasi yun, grabe luma oh. Murang rent nila dyan eh. Mga low income. Ayan. So, dito tayo. I-meet na namin yung contact ni Harold dito. Grabe yun. Ito guys, so closer look ng kabilang building naman. Pero ito yung i-viewing namin eh. So, ayan. Waiting kami. Ay, medyo mahangin. Ayan, talagang construction pa oh. Ito siya guys. Wala kayo.
A few moments later.
So you never have to worry about something being stolen or left outside your door or anything like that. I just leave the mail area here.
Okay, nice.
Hey, so yeah, no, that's okay. They're doing some testing today. So this will be the grand lobby. There's going to be a 24/7 concierge and security in the building. And up these stairs takes you up to the 2nd level. And up there is going to be gym, yoga stretch studio. There's also an outdoor dining area, pet run, shooting pet. Where you can run your dog. Also barbecues and just like a nice sort of lounge area up there. And on the 7th floor, there's actually a little kids play area.
Nice. Oh, play area.
Swings and little things for kids sort of up to the age of 10. I'm not sure what exact time.
There's no definite time yet, yeah.
There's probably, we don't have that for yet, but it'll probably be closing at, I would say 10 o'clock.
Okay.
It's usually standard for that. Express 1.
3 elevators already. Nice, and it's already up and running.
Yeah, they're working. They're just actually doing their. Hi. Get her.
Oh, okay. 207. Okay, let's see.
Welcome in. So
nice.
This is a 2-bedroom flex, so there's 1 bathroom here.
Oh, let's see.
And then this is a little, either of you work from home.
Oh, full bathroom. I thought like a powder room. Okay.
What's really nice is both the bathrooms in the suite have tubs.
Nice.
So you can designate one to your daughter, one to yourself.
Oh, and this is the washer and dryer here. Okay. Oh, Spacious, yeah. Nice.
This particular suite is 858 square feet.
850. Oh,
And
okay.
we do have, when we go upstairs to the 8th floor, which is our staff,
balcony,
you can see all the
living
suites
room.
are all the way up.
And this is
I've
the
got
first
some 2
bedroom.
baths that don't have a
So
flex
queen
space
size
in them. They're
bed.
about
Oh.
740.
Closet and then the full washroom, guys. Ayan.
Yeah, it's got a full
Naka-hard hat kami and naka-vest. So nice. Okay. May konting view pero second floor kasi kami. And this is the second bedroom.
Or you could do like a pantry.
Pero kaya siguro dito ng queen size bed. Oh.
All the suites are air conditioned.
Oh, air conditioning.
All air conditioned, all have in-suite washer dryer.
Yeah.
Every suite has some size of a patio, some have really big ones. You could
Queen
put
size?
but
Yeah.
if you needed to.
Okay. So like both of them, right, can fit a
Yeah.
queen size. Yeah. Okay. Perfect size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Then you can have like a smaller version of your dining room if you want more space, right?
exactly.
This is just like the staging.
Yeah, you could always put in an island.
Island. Oh, yeah.
Like, you know, IKEA.
IKEA, those. Yeah,
We've got
yeah.
these nice quartz countertops, and IKEA
Yeah.
has some nice white quartz countertop islands
nice.
that you can move around and put storage in. So
Okay.
that's really
Yeah,
nice as well.
very nice. And they have a big fridge.
Big fridge,
fridge, yeah.
full-size stove,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Nice. 800, how many square?
This one's 840.
840, and then you have the balcony as well. Then you see the view here, even if you're on the second floor.
Yes, but
Okay.
when we get up a little higher,
Yeah.
when I take you up to the 8th floor,
Yeah.
we've got some other options. That we can
Okay.
get there.
Oh, another 2-bedroom unit
Yeah,
as well.
another 2-bedroom.
For this one, do you have like a parking and storage?
So there are only a few suites that come with parking and storage. I can show you one on the 8th floor that does come with.
Okay.
Actually, how many you needed to have that come with a 1 free transit pass?
Oh, one
Which is
suite is worth
$1,200.
One
Some of the
free-
suites come with 1 free pass, so you can share it with your whole family.
What do you mean, like a year or like
A year of
Wow.
free.
Free
Yeah,
3 zone?
I think it's a 2-zone.
2 zone. Oh, not bad.
But that's pretty good.
Oh, not all
So-
new buildings like offer
No,
that one,
and
right?
then also the suite upstairs that I can show you, that's a 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
It has a transit pass and storage available.
Okay,
But you can rent
okay.
storage too. It's just $50.
Oh, here you can rent a storage
Yeah,
too.
you
It's
can
not
rent storage.
included.
And all
Oh,
the suites you'll know to have these in them. They're HVAC.
Yeah, HVAC,
So
yeah.
those are, you don't need to worry about them. A lot of places they put a mirror.
mirror. Oh yeah, just to cover, right? Just to put
Like
something.
that.
Yeah,
Careful with your toddler on the mirror against the
Yeah.
wall. I mean,
nice.
but yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Now, do you have a budget that you're trying to stay within? Because then I can find something.
Is it still negotiable or like
Well,
is there
no,
like
the rent's not negotiable, but it does vary for which floor.
floor?
you're on.
Oh, which floor?
So, I
Okay.
can express two. Like for example,
For this one, there's no storage.
that one's not available because it's our show suite.
Oh,
So we
show
don't have that one
suite,
available,
okay.
but I can find one similar to that, and with that, and I can find they all we can manage to find you storage with one. It's $50 additional.
Okay.
But something like that's probably going to be about $37.20 on the 4th floor.
37.20.
20.
That's the price per
Yeah.
month. Oh, they're okay, less than 50. Okay, okay. 8th floor.
That's 804. So this one
Oh.
here. This one is available and it's $34.85.
That's the much 34.
$34.85.
34.85 for 2 bedroom and 1 bath.
2 bedroom, 2 bathroom.
Oh, 2 bathroom. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. 2 bedroom. Oh,
So there's
okay.
a nice big closet in here for your washer dryer.
Yeah. Okay. There's a space, living room, and then dining. Oh, this is the first bedroom. Oh yeah. Okay. So ensuite. That's your bathroom. Is there? Oh, bigger. Is a bigger closet? There's 2. Okay. Oh, they're connected. Okay, they're just connected. I'm like, there's 2.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, they're connected.
Okay, connected. Okay.
This is the play area.
Oh, that's the play
Yeah,
area?
Play area.
Oh, so that one is 6th or 7th floor?
That's the 7th floor.
7, okay,
And then also
under.
on the 7th floor, there's a co-work space.
Co-work
and a little
space.
lounge area that you with the 2 TVs that you could go. There's going to be a foosball table, I think, up there as well. And then on the top floor, rooftop. So this is the second floor where there's going to be there's going to be the pet run, the gyms down there, yoga stretch, barbecue, and then on the rooftop, more barbecues.
Oh,
And the
more
rooftop's gonna
barbecues.
Look, like here's how the lobby's gonna end up looking when it's
there.
all done.
Oh, that's the okay.
And then this is the lounge area just upstairs in the rooftop. On the inside, you can rent.
Oh, you can rent. Okay,
That's gonna be the rooftop.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that looks more like the second floor where the Skytree.
Second
the
floor?
rooftop
Oh.
will look like that.
There's same. Oh, okay.
So I've got one other one on this floor that's bigger. That's a really actually cool layout. that you might
Second
like.
bedroom, guys. Mas maliit lang yung closet niya.
Black.
Yan. Oh, let's see. And then, you have the balcony as well here. Kind of bigger here, right? It's kind of bigger. Then you see the view.
100 square feet.
100 square feet, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Do you have, how come you're moving? You just wanted to need a bigger
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, so, okay, this is the dishwasher. Okay, nice. Okay.
Oh, I forgot to mention, every suite comes with 1 year free internet.
One free internet.
Yeah.
So what's the provider for
So
your...
it's through Rogers.
Okay.
And it's
Free
a
internet.
year free, and then after that, it's $85 a month. Yeah.
How many
$85 a month.
Mbps is that, Rogers?
I'm not sure, but we did ask them about it if it would be fast enough, and they said it's fast internet.
Okay.
So the whole building's wired for it. And then if you sign a 1-year lease, your first month is free.
Oh,
And
1
if you sign
year.
a 2-year lease, your first and your 13th months are free.
Oh, 2 year. Oh. And this one comes with the parking.
No, this
Oh,
one.
no. Okay,
Parking
no
is
parking.
Really limited. Like I'll have to, if you want parking, when I get back to my desk, I'll have to do a hunt to find ones that have parking, and I can tell you the price of the suite.
And that's additional like a rent.
$175
175 a month. And where is that parking though?
underneath. Yeah.
Oh, here. Oh, in same building underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, they still
Would
have.
you be able to keep your parking stall at your other building?
I don't think so, because if we move out, no, it came with the suite. Yeah, you're right. Unless, no, even if you're outsider, you cannot rent inside the building.
Right.
They don't allow it. Yeah.
Did you want to take a look at the other 2-bedroom? It's quite different than this.
Let's see. 808. Lucky number.
This is 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom.
bath
Okay.
flex.
Okay. Oh,
So
flex.
this is a flex space right here, and it's quite big. So for sure, great pantry if you needed it, or a little office space.
Oh, pantry. Oh, okay. Oh, here. Little pantry or like an office. Oh, not bad. Small. Oh, there. Okay. Small size. The one is the washer dryer. Huh? Oh, there's a parang lagayan ng mga coat or shoes. Washer and dryer.
This one actually has a walk-in closet, which is really nice.
Oh, mas malaki to, guys. Ayan, mas mahaba yung balcony. Oh, okay. Oh, I think this one is bigger.
Yeah, it is. It's a nice one.
Okay. Okay, that's the closet. There's another bedroom here. Okay. Oh, you have little space here, then you go to this bedroom. Oh, and that's our house. Over there. Diyan si Hailey and Mama. Another washroom, guys. Ayan. How much is this?
So this exact suite that we're in is $38.10.
Oh my, 3810.
And there's actually...
What comes with the 3810?
Comes with the free internet, the transit pass,
internet transit
and
pass.
storage available.
Oh, storage and no parking.
No parking.
No parking for this
But
as well.
if
Okay.
you're looking to go a little bit down in price, this exact suite is available next door.
Okay.
It's just on a different corner, so it's different, and it's $735.
How much is that?
Sorry, $3,735.
Oh, 3,735. Oh.
Yeah. So it's a little bit less, and it comes with transit.
Pass
Comes with
too,
the storage too. So it's just because it's facing a different direction that the
Okay.
price is a bit less.
There's no like view on that.
Yeah, well, you actually have view of the river.
Oh, on that other suite.
Yes, but I think the kicker with the other one, because I was in it yesterday, it's quite under construction still.
Okay.
But the thing is, you're up in the far bedroom.
Okay.
You're above the kids' play area.
Oh, you're above the kids.
So I think that's why the price might be a little reflected in the price there.
Are you able to hear sounds from like kids playing downstairs or not?
Everything is quite soundproof. Like I can barely hear.
Okay,
construction,
okay. Oh,
right? You
yeah.
can hear it, but without that, so I don't think it would really be a huge bother, especially because they do close it
Yeah.
at a certain time. Not
Okay.
many kids, little kids are out at 10.
Yeah. At night, right? They're sleeping already, you're right.
So, you know.
Let's see. Oh, another. Oh, okay.
Back to the
Back to the, okay. The front. Okay, I'm like, are we going somewhere?
Back towards
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is like a staging, right? It's just
How
the
about for this
showroom.
one? It's not for rent.
No, but I can tell you.
Oh, this is not for
sort
rent.
of is going for, I think it's 4,020.
This one, the main, how many bedrooms is this?
It is 2 bedrooms, so our
bedrooms?
office is upstairs, so we can't go up there, but
Oh.
so it's this space, there's a bathroom upstairs.
Bathroom.
Here, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs.
Oh, there is like a
Yeah.
stairs. Okay. Oh my
There-
goodness. Okay,
Yeah,
closet
So
room.
it's,
2 bedroom, right? And there's like a storage area here or like a office.
So it's 1,000 square feet, and it's 4,000.
Now, 4,040? Oh my.
I don't think that we're in the exact one right now, but the one
4,000, yeah.
is identical to this. It's 4,040, and it
4,000.
technically is available for rent.
Nice.
If you wanted to do a townhouse.
Easy access, right? When you go out.
I believe they
Easy
might
access.
have parking.
Parking, this one might have parking.
I have to double check. Don't
Oh.
mind.
One eternity later.
And we're back. Kami guys. Nagla-landscaping sila dito.
What's that? Fountain?
Chinichika pa ni Harold tong mga nagla-landscape. Nakipag-small talk pa. Mahangin guys. Yeah, wala na nga tubig. Dati may tubig eh. Nilagay na lang ng isang halaman. Iniiba nila. Siguro mahal ang maintenance ng may tubigan.
Kasi dati puro lumot lang eh.
I know. Ngayon, wala nang tubig.
Puro lumot lang
Ito
yun.
guys, so,
Bato yun dati.
yeah, puro lumot lang yan. Oh.
Kaya
Ngayon,
low maintenance na pala.
low maintenance na yung ganyang halaman. Kabilang building, merong co-op na binibuild guys. Yan, kasi sabi ng babae, full na. Co-op din parang mga, I think seniors yun eh, or mga low income din. Dinimolish tapos tinayuan ng bagong building. Ayan. Hello guys, ayan, andito na tayo sa Walmart. And it's the time of the month again na bibili tayo ng diapers ni Hailey. Yung Rascals na favorite namin and naka-rollback siya. From $41, $34 na lang siya. So, dalawa kunin natin. Sakay natin sa ating wagon. Parang yung isang box ng diaper ni Hailey na tago 120 pieces. More than 1 month din naman siya naglalas. So, ayan. Ayan. Diba? Nakakuha tayo ng dalawa. Sakto yung pagbili natin kasi naka-rollback siya, guys. Kasi isang pack na lang na plastic yung natitira kay Hailey. Kailangan na natin mag-restock. And si Harold naghahanap pa yan ng parking. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo, guys. Okay? I-price check natin, guys, tong Bottle and Dish Soap ni Hailey. Nakalimutan ko na yung price. Anong mas mura sa dalawa? Ito, $7.97. Itong Aleva. Ayan. 7 din? Same price sila? Aleva and then tong Duffel. So, ayan. Okay. Bila namin ng another chinela si Hailey pag nag-beach kami. So, alin? Ayaw mo itong parang Crocs nila. How much ba to? Same ba price? Oh, $10 din eh. Ano?
Pwede naman siyang ano eh. Sige pan. Ayun o.
Na-adjust, no? Saka ito rin, no? Velcro type pa. Ano? Mas okay yan. Parang same price siya, $10 kesa to.
Pwede naman to. Oh. Jessica pa mo lang yan dyan.
Okay. Cute ng color, no? Yun na lang. 7 to 8. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay, nakabayad na kami, guys. Parang magugutom ako watch or mag-McDo. Yan. Almost 100 din. Itong nabili namin kay Hailey. Uy! Magtatayan ng loto? How much?
Para makwento natin pag tayo tumama, sabi we're just gonna buy diapers at Walmart and then
Napadaan lang din?
Yeah.
40 million ang Lotto Max. Oh, sige. Tumaya ka na.
dito nanalo eh.
Burnaby, 40 million.
Pero hindi yata siya Pilipino.
Parang Vietnamese daw eh, parang ganon. Yeah. Napadaan
Kaya
lang.
natin tong ano, baka maswerte tong mga pwede natin sa marketplace. So, mga
May cash ka pala dyan.
Hi.
Hi.
I have a Lotto Max, please. One extra. Quick pick. You have $1?
Wala, I don't.
Sayang ka.
I don't. Gusto pang mag-scratch ni Harold, guys, oh. Nakabili na siya. Uy, yan na.
Kaya na. May 40 million. Baka ikaw na.
Hindi daw niya ako mabalatuhan.
A few moments later.
Grocery na kami, guys. Ayun na, sa likod na kami mga ginrocery and dumaan si Harold dito sa gas station, Chevron. Dito lang din malapit sa 88. And tingnan natin kung magkano. Parang nasa 160 eh. Nasaan na ba? Ayun, 169 ngayon ang gas. And meron sila ditong gasoline attendant. So, ayan. Itong particular branch lang na to, guys, ang merong gasoline attendant. Ayan. Kaya parang napapadala si Harold dito, may tumutulong sa kanya. Ayan. And kanina pala dun sa Walmart, guys, bumili ako ng McDonald's. Nag-ice coffee lang kami and then large fries. And sakto Pilipina yung nag-assist sa akin ng cashier. Ang bait ni ate. Kasi hindi na niya ako pinabayaran doon sa small paper bag, yung brown bag ng McDonald's para sa french fries namin. Tapos, binigyan pa niya ako ng libreng mayonnaise. 3. Usually kasi 25 cents din isa nun. So sabi niya, kapag hindi daw nakatingin yung makasama niya, lalagyan niya ako dun sa brown bag. So ayun. Thankful kay ating Pilipinang mabait dun sa McDo. First time ko siya nakita kasi sabi niya, usually nandun siya sa kitchen, gumagawa ng mga burger. Eh, may tinitraining daw sila dun sa may kitchen, kaya dun siya sa front muna, nagkakashare siya. So, ayan. Tingnan natin magkano ito mapapagas ni Harold. And bibili na lang kami ng ulam. Hindi na. Ayun. Uy, dinagdagan pa niya, oh. Hala, dagdag pa.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Ay, dagdag pa. 27 liters. Nasa $43 siya, guys.
Yeah.
Ayan. Yes, we need the receipt. Yan mo yung points natin, Han? I mean, yung number ko.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ayan. Bibili na kami ng ulam para hindi na magluto si Harold. Ayan. Mas gusto na namin ganitong late lumabas ng Saturday kapag mag-grocery kasi less ang tao dun sa 88. So, nakakaikot ka ng mas, komportable. Kaya, ayan. Let's go.
GPS connected.
Dito naman kami, guys, sa katrabaho ni Harold. Pipick up kami ng libreng ulam. Ano nga yan? Papaitan. Ayan. Kukuha kami ng papaitan.
Wait ba natin?
Oo. Ano oras? Napaaga ba tayo? Sabi niya 8 p.m. Dito na kami. Almost 30 minutes kami naghintay sa ano guys, sa Churches. Kasi niluto pa talaga dahil regular lang lahat ng in-order namin. Yan, kung may spicy to, medyo mabilis. Okay lang. Mga 30 minutes. And dumiretso kami na dito. Yan, matitikman natin ang lutong Ilocano. Papaitan. Time check guys, 8:05 PM na. After nito, uwi na kami. Dinner na kami. Hihintay na sila Hailey. Ayan. Pero maliwanag pa din.
Pressure na to.
Mapipressure na yung yung nagluluto guys.
Susunod agahan na naman.
Nag-abang na kami ng ulam.
Hindi ko ang tagal naman yan.
Ay, mga kapitbahay na nag-aabang ng ulam. Ayan. May pa-exchange pa ng
Kunti lang, buha ka.
Ay, papaitan ng Ilocano. Nasaan na?
Mas papait yun. Dito mo na lang ilagay.
Yan o. Sinanglaw. Ay!
Mas light lang.
Uy, may ganyan sa nakatikim na ako ng sinanglaw sa tag dito? Sa Isabela.
Sinanglaw. Oo.
Sinanglaw, yeah.
Okay na yun. Sa bata lang.
Sa bata?
Okay, sige na. Okay na.
Okay na.
Sige. Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Exchange ulam.
Salamat po yan.
Thank you.
Ano pala yung jack?
Thank you. Let's see the sinanglaw.
Makita mo na tong para mabili mo na yung mugs ko.
May hinihiram pa May hinihiram pa to kay Jay. Tingnan natin to. Init Si sinanglaw daw. Bagong luto guys. Mainit-init pa. Ayan na. Woohoo. Ayan. Sarap to. Bango.